What's up, everyone? 3D Prince 747 here, back again with another video. So this Grinch has been printed for 2 years now. I think it's been 2 years, maybe a year. It's been around for a while, but I learned a lot in the time that since I printed it to now. And one of the things that I learned is that you shouldn't print things that are going to be outside for extended periods of time in PLA. So this is starting to warp and separate and not look its best. So I'm going to end up trashing this and printing another one in PETG. You can see all the seams are kind of separating. But this is going to go out with the trash after the new year, after the decorations come down, because that's not going to last another year. I learned a lot since I started this. As I mentioned, I'm going to make it lighter, PETG. I'll probably do the seams this time. I didn't do it last time because from the road you can't really see the seams, but over the year, however long it's been out here or been in my garage and out here, the PLA is starting to warp. And that's the same thing that happened with another thing that I had out here that I built, and I reprinted that in PETG. It's a Raven shield that I'm working on. We're originally from Maryland, so Ravens fans. The dog still looks okay. Cindy Lou, who broke. It was pretty windy here the other day, and she fell over. Her support didn't stand up to the wind, and it kind of broke and she fell over. So had to order some CA, but she'll be going back together and out in the yard in a day just to finish up the new year with all the decorations out here. But just wanted to show that to you. You can see where places are. The PLA is just kind of warping. Look back here on the back here, how it's cracking in the back. It's just not going to stand up over time. So lesson learned. You can see right there where I used the connector to hold it together. But new project on the way, everyone. Stay tuned. This is going to be a massive project again. This thing I think was 55 or 60 pieces and took about 3 months to complete. The painting was the toughest part just because of the different colors, but maybe I'll try airbrush this time. My wife did get me an airbrush kit, and I've kind of been intimidated to use it, so it's just kind of been sitting in my office, but maybe I'll use that this time. Maybe it'll be easier to get a tighter finish. When I say tighter, I mean see where the white bleeds into the red, that kind of thing. See the red on the white. You can't see that from the road, like I said, but from up close you can. So yeah, that arm is starting to separate as well. So stay tuned, everyone, and we will have a new Grinch video on the way. Might have to pick up another printer for this project, maybe an A1, just to get a bunch of parts printed all at once. Right now I'm down to 2 P1S's, and that's just not enough. What do you think? Put your comments down below. Let me know what printer you think I should get. If I should pick up another P1P, P1S, or if you're using an A1. I've seen good reviews. Haven't really seen anything negative about them, other than that cable power issue they had when it first came out. That's been resolved. So hit me up down below and let me know your thoughts. And we're going to do this one again in PETG. Hopefully I still have the STL. It'd be nice if I kept all the parts. I sliced it with Luban, sized it up and sliced it with Luban. So hopefully I still have those STLs somewhere. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one showing the Grinch being printed again sometime in the near future. And please hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe, please, and we will catch you on the next one. Happy New Year, everyone.